Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound dollar, guys. Yesterday we were selling this. As you guys can see, guys, we hit both of our targets. So kudos to those who followed, guys. For today, let's start from the daily. Keep in mind, guys, we are currently at which once was a strong resistance area. Now it should act as a strong support area. Okay, guys. So there's that, and but for to start buying, guys, we need some kind of bullish price action. Okay, guys, and guys, I would only start buying this if the price breaks above 1.34698, and only then, even then, guys, what I would target is just a correction which would lead me to 1.34969. Guys, sorry about the delay, guys. As long as the price is below 1.34698, guys, we keep on selling this. And 1.34317 is my target, guys. If we break above this, we will be seeing 1.34969 zone. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.